Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create an Epic Games account so that your purchases and progress on games such as Fortnite, Rocket League, or Rogue Company will sync and be playable on all of your devices. To get started, head to epicgames.com on any web browser. At the top, select Sign In. At the bottom of this screen, you'll see a link at the bottom to sign up if you don't already have an Epic Games account. Choose that, and at the next screen, choose how you want to sign up. I'll choose sign up with email. Enter your date of birth and then hit continue. On the next screen, enter all of your info here like your first and last name, email, and password. Also, here's where you get to choose your display name. Find one that's available and that you want to go by. Check the agreement below and then hit continue. You'll then get a verification code sent to your email address that you just entered. Find that in your email and enter it in here. Once you verify your email, you'll then be taken back to the home screen where at the top you'll now see that you're logged in. You can then use these credentials to log into your account on any of your different devices. And that's how you create an Epic Games account to play and sync all of your games across all of your systems. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.